This is London with Bitcoin Spike. We have an alert for Bitcoin in the DXY. Pay attention. Shout out to the VIP. We had a great stream in terms of the CPI, etc. We'll dig into the details. Take a look at the two charts I'm looking at. Shout out to the VIP. This is London, former hedge fund owner, private, non-SEC, not financial advice. Now, the bottom chart on the right-hand side is going to be Bitcoin. We have good news to the extent that we are formulating a descending wedge. Okay, descending wedge is in play. Level of support, buyers, level of resistance, constriction, the sellers on resistance. We're also in the process of formulating a broadening bottom. This pattern, 60% of the time, wants to move to the upside, 60% of the time, favoring the bulls here. A move, guys, 3.65% to the upside would be nice. Be prepared for a breakdown if we, and guys, this is where the relevance comes in. Take a look at this. This is a big deal. On the top, you see the DXY. Take a look at the DXY in the 77-minute or the hourly or the 4-hourly. Particularly, let's look at the hourly, for instance. The DXY currently exhibiting all the trend characteristics of a bull pennant. Now, inverse correlation, you guys know, between the DXY, the dollar index, we would expect the DXY, if it were to move up, to push the prices, guys, of equities. And yes, to the extent that Bitcoin can't battle the DXY, the dollar index, we would expect some negative prices on Bitcoin. So pay attention to this flux in the market. Now, you would say, well, how does that help us? Let's dig into the solution. What is the solution going to be? Guys, well, how about RSI, stochastics, MACD? Let's dig into some of those details. That would be on our specific ZPAC indicator. Yes, we have a combo. I'm going to go ahead and call that a combo, along with a kernel regression formula that we would look at in terms of our ability to gauge. Yes, RSI, stochastics, and MACD all in one. This red here on the 45-minute or on the hourly needs to pick up and shift, okay? Needs to pick up and shift. It's going to take just a second to load here. This red feature here, it's highly calculative, just so that you know. That's why it takes a second to load, but we are curling around. That is a lack of power right now on behalf of the bulls. So pay attention. On the 4-hourly, we're actually looking decent. If I were to summarize the 4-hourly, we're actually looking decent and heading to the upside. I need the daily in terms of a combo feature. I need the bulls on the daily to shift, boom, to the upside in terms of volatility. That's going to be what's required in terms of volatility. Pardon. The bulls are going to have to perform on the daily. That's the bottom line, and it's going to take a bit of time. Dig into your micro, and I want to invite you all to join the #1 trade group, America's #1 trade group with international reach. Shout out to all of our international traders. We'll be in the back trading. We'll be streaming tomorrow for the open. This is London with Bitcoin Spike and VIP Trader. Guys, let's go get it. And then we got that broadening formation along the bottom. Had to bring in the DXY. Don't want to be bearish. Just assess it. Put it on your second screen and third screen. You guys know we are pushing 15 wide here in the back. We will talk to you soon and stream tomorrow. Can't wait to talk to you. And shout out to the VIP. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.